And it sure is. As you look there, beginning to look a lot like Christmas to the west of us. A live look from Beech Mountain. It looks gorgeous out there. I don't like the feel of the cold, but it looks nice, right?
Well, right now it looks like a different planet than what we are right here in the Triad.
Outside here does not look like that.
No, it actually looks pretty nice, but this is not just up at Beech Mountain. All different sorts of mountain communities are under some snow at the moment too, and these roads are completely snow covered. Early this morning before the sun came up, the snow intensity has dropped off. There's still some snow showers and flurries blowing through the area. More snow, light snow is expected to develop tonight. I think most of these areas have seen the bulk of the snow that they're going to get. But the campus of Appalachian State, roads are starting to improve. Temperatures are close to freezing now, and we're seeing some brightening in the skies. There might be some holes in the clouds that develop through the afternoon today, but that wind is still blowing. Wind chill temperatures have dipped into the teens in Ashe County near Jefferson, lower 20s, Sparta to Hillsville. 30s and near freezing is what it feels like in North Wilkesboro. Triad temperatures or wind chill temperatures in the 30s with air temperatures also in the mid 40s. Wind not a big issue right now, but again, it can get gusty from time to time through tonight. Morning lows for the first time this season drop below freezing. Unofficially, we got down to 30 degrees at PTI Airport, also at Smith Reynolds Airport in Winston-Salem, and let's continue that trek west into North Wilkesboro. That's the first time we've been to the freezing mark since April, and the first time we've been below freezing, the coldest temperature that we've had since March 19th. So it's been about 8 months since we've seen temperatures like this here in the urban centers of the Piedmont Triad. Northwest winds continue to blow. Again, these spokes on a wheel, I've been talking about this all day today. These lines indicate where the disturbances are, and they kind of spin around these lows. One passed through, creating the mountain snow showers with that extra elevation, helping to ring them out in the western slopes. We're in a bit of a lull. There are some snow showers in the mountain regions of West Virginia, but more energy is north and west, and some of this is going to reach our mountains by late today and tonight and create another opportunity for some falling snow and covered roads. So we'll have to watch for that, but we're in it to win it right now. Through tomorrow morning, conditions will begin to improve. So far, ski resorts have been the big winner. We talked about Beech Mountain. 7 inches of snow has fallen there. 6 in Sugar. Sugar's actually open now. Beech and Appalachian won't open until late next week, but winter weather advisories are still up in those locations through tomorrow morning. In addition to the additional accumulation of maybe an inch, could see 2 in the higher elevations, but a dusting everywhere else. We've got strong winds in the area, and wind advisories are up also to around the same time frame, expiring at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Gusts there could be up to 50 miles per hour. If you drive a high-profile vehicle, especially at night, especially when roads are snow-covered, it could be a treacherous situation, so you may want to avoid travel if that's the case. Temperatures in the Triad don't get quite as cold tonight. We'll be in the 40s for the early overnight hours and slip down into the upper 30s later on tonight, so I don't think it gets below freezing. It will remain cold in the foothills and blustery at times. Mountain temperatures in the 30s for a while, but snowy weather returns later tonight, and finally those advisories are going to be allowed to expire early tomorrow morning, so hopefully most of the snow is down there. Wind chill temperatures are going to be a thing too, so make sure you bundle up if you head out. It's going to feel colder than it actually is. We're back in the 60s as early as Sunday, but it will cool down again in the days leading up to Thanksgiving.